Hello everyone, welcome to Software Test Automation YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to learn how to use collection framework stream in a Selenium WebDriver. So many people don't know where we are using the collection framework in the Selenium. So let's see, today we will see the example of stream. So for that I have opened this IntelliJ IDE and I have configured the Selenium in this one. So if you don't know how to install this IntelliJ IDE and configure Selenium, please watch out my another video about Selenium setup. I have given the link of the video in the description. So let's say I have created this package. Inside this I will create one class and here I will write tc01 stream demo. How to use this stream, what is the stream, and that all these things we will see it here. Okay, I have created just simple class, and in this class I will take the code to launch the Chrome browser, and this is the main method. Okay, so I have a main method inside a class, and in this main method I am setting the Chrome driver. And here to do this I have used the WebDriver manager dependency. Using that we can do set up the Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Opera driver, all the types of driver. And after that I'm creating object of Chrome driver, and then I'm maximizing the browser using this method, and then I will navigate to one URL, and finally I'm closing the browser. So this time I will just navigate to the this Selenium website, and now once I navigate to this website, I want to print all these links about download, whatever the manual bars are there, I want to print that. So how to find all these elements? So I need to find some locator for that. Okay, so I will write XPath which can locate all these elements. So if I inspect this any one element, I can see this is the anchor tag, and this anchor tag is present in li tags. All these are li tags actually. So if you see, if I just mouse over, it is highlighting these. So I want to find out all these li tags. So all these li tags are present under one div which has one id attribute available. So let's say I will write the XPath /div id equal to this, and from this div I want all the li, not all, but which has anchor tag. Okay, so I write /a, and you can see now we are able to highlight all these links. So this is my XPath which is selecting all the elements. So in the Selenium get all menu list, so I will use driver. So as this is multiple elements, I will use find elements, and I have written by XPath to locate all these elements. That's it. I will get all the elements. As this is a collection, I need to store in a list of web element. Okay, because this is a menu list. And to print this list, what we need to do, I can use a for loop or enhanced for each loop to print it. But here we will see the example of stream. Okay. So if I want to print all the text from this, all the text, so then I will use this menu list, which is a list dot stream. You can see there is a stream method is present dot, I'll use map, and from this menu give some name menu. I want to get menu dot get text, and once we get the text, I want to collect all the text in collection to list. That's it. And finally, if you want, you can convert it to the string and you can print it. So how we can print it? I will use system dot out dot println, and I will paste it here. Print all the menu list. So in this line number 32, I have just used the find elements method to find all the menu list, and on that menu list I have used some stream function, then I have used on that map. So what it will do from this menu list, it has all the elements. So from this it will take one element. This is a lambda expression. So you can give any name. Let's say I have given menu. From that menu, I want to use a Selenium method called get text. So from each element, it will iterate here like this, and it will take the text and it will collect all this into one list. And finally, we are printing that list. Okay. So let's see how it works. If I right click on run as test. So execution is started, and in few seconds we will see the browser is launched. Okay, browser is launched and it closed immediately. But here, if you see, we are able to see the some list got printed here. Support blog English. Let's see what is it. Okay, because my browser was in minimized state, so it was not able to capture all these menu list. Let me run it again. Please launch browser, maximize, and you can see all the list is printed: about, download, document, project, support, blog list. So you can see how powerful is stream. So with the help of one line of code, I'm able to print everything. So if you want to do it in other way, like we need to write lots of code. Let's say, like, this is the list. I will use iterator, or I will use for loop, or I will use enhanced for loop, and then I need to write 4-5 lines of code. It will go to each iteration, and from each element, web element, we have to use get text. So this is a very difficult task, but you, with the help of stream, this is how we can take all the elements here. Thanks for watching the video. Also, this code you will find in the description. So you can go to this video description and you will find the link, and you can just refer to this code, and you can take different website and practice it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the very interesting video updates on your mobile. Thank you.